Good morning and evening, Americans and British. Today, we're going to have types of ghost train whistles that I found part for. So leave a comment if you like my video, or leave a comment if you're scared. So like and subscribe to my video, but warning, I need 100,000 subscribers so I could create more videos, please you promise. So let's get started. 1. Jupiter 60. 2. Strasbourg 90. 3. Estrada da Ferro Santa Catarina 232. 4. 60,009 Union on South Africa, only in British. 5. Union Pacific 3985. 6. Union Pacific 9000. 7. COWLITZ, Chehalis, and Cascade 15. 8. Baltimore and Ohio M1. 9. JEDDO Goal 85. 10. Grand Trunk Western 6325. 'Please, I want 100,000 subscribers so I can create thousands of videos, so subscribe and like, and also leave a comment, I want to read it.